Looking for your dream Maine getaway? This cabin along Allen Brook has it all: serenity, space, and style. Nestled on a peaceful lot with mature trees and natural surroundings, this year round log cabin offers the perfect blend of rustic charm and modern comfort. While listening to the gentle flow of the water or enjoying a summer evening surrounded by nature. The property also features a walkout basement and a one-car garage, giving you plenty of room for storage, hobbies, or workshop space, perfect for those who love hands-on projects. Inside, the cabin has been thoughtfully maintained, offering warmth and inviting living spaces that are both functional and comfortable. Natural light fills every room, highlighting the beauty of the log construction and creating a welcoming atmosphere for family and guests. Whether you're drawn to Maine for its natural beauty, outdoor recreation, or peaceful lifestyle, this property delivers. Affordable, practical, and full of potential, it's a rare opportunity to own a home that truly embodies the Maine experience. Don't wait to make this dream your reality. Schedule a showing today and see for yourself how this log cabin along Allen Brook could be your perfect year-round escape.